Pia. Handa ka na bang salubungin ang Maximum Exposure Asian Superstars Wu Chun at Calvin Chen, The Asian Invasion, live exclusivo ang esyensa. Ang video clips ni Wu Chun at Calvin Chen, ang superstars na mainit na sinalubong dito sa Pilipinas kahapon sa pagdating nila mula sa Taiwan. Ang mga fans ng mga kapamilya Asian novelas nagkagulo. Silang mga romantiko sa Romantic Princess. Si Calvin, na kilala nating bilang si Ralph, at si Wu Chun, na una tayong pinakilig sa Hana Kimi, kabilang din sa hit Asian novelang ito. Sa airport kahapon, pinagkaguluhan na sila. Kasabay nilang dumating ang maraming fans nilang dayo pa ng Singapore, Malaysia at Taiwan. At pagdating sa Kapamilya Network, lalo pang pinagkaguluhan ng dalawa. Mismong sina Calvin at Wu, nagula sa kakaibang pagtangkilik sa kanila dito sa Pilipinas. Pagkatapos, Entertainment Live, press conference, sunod-sunod at siksik ang buong araw nina Wu Chun at Calvin Chen. At saan man sila mapunta, sinusundan sila ng
What can you say about the people that you work with, the Filipinos?
Of course, they are very professional. That's why I come here to look for them.
Kagabi, dinulat na naman nila ang bayan sa pagtatanghal nila sa Pinoy Dream Academy. Bilang miyembro ng sikat na grupong Fahrenheit, pinakita rin ng dalawa ang galing nila sa pagkanta. At hanggang kanina, walang kapaguran ng dalawa sa pagsagot sa bawat tanong at request ng bayan sa Cinema One, Studio 23, ASAP OA at sa ABS-CBN Studio 1 hanggang sa fans meet and greet sa kanila maya-maya lamang. Tunay ngang mainit ang kapamilya Asian Novelas Fever. Wu Chun and Calvin Chen, The Asian Invasion, live! At ang isa pang eksplosibong revelasyon, ayon sina Calvin at Wu, kapwa malapit sa kanilang puso ang Pilipinas. May ilang beses na raw nakapagbakasyon dito si Calvin kasama ang kanyang pamilya. Samantala, karamihan daw sa nagtatrabaho sa mga negosyong hawak ni Wu ay mga Pilipino. Wu Chun, Calvin Chen, The Asian Invasion.
Hello! I'm Wu Chun from Fahrenheit. Mabuhay, Philippines. This is Calvin.
Good afternoon, welcome to the bus. I'm sorry. Hi,
Tahimik po muna
Okay.
tayo para marinig naman ang mga fans. Nandito na sila para at least marinig natin yung sasabihin nila sa inyo.
Wu, Calvin, good afternoon, welcome to the bus. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you've been here how long? This is Rupa
Hi,
Gutierrez.
Rupa. Hi.
Thank you.
I
Okay.
wish I could speak Taiwanese. You're both very handsome.
I
You know,
know.
you have all these fans, all these women screaming for you, and I'm sure you're used to that all around Asia and all over the world.
Have you gotten used to all the screaming from fans all around Asia?
But I think Philippines is
It's different.
louder.
Louder.
Wow! So many warm welcomes from you. Thank
How
you.
long have you been here? 3 days? 3 days?
3 days.
How has it been so far?
Great.
Great.
Good. Yeah.
What is the best thing?
Best thing is to meet everyone.
Meet
This is our
everyone.
first time here.
You've seen the Filipino girls. Are they pretty?
Oh, they are really cute, and then they are very. See the
They're
skin.
outgoing, which is a good thing. Yeah.
Tito Boy, ako naman.
Okay,
Grabe
go
ka naman.
ahead.
Pwede makasingit naman ako. I want to ask, do both of you have girlfriends?
Oh, we answered many times already.
No, we are too busy to work.
Okay, so
Both of them, we don't have girlfriends right now.
No.
Okay, but you belong to a band called Fahrenheit.
Yeah,
Is that right?
Fahrenheit, yeah.
If you were to dedicate a song to your Filipino fans, what song would that be?
Yeah, just like this one, Harness.
Hardness.
Harness.
Yeah.
How does it go?
Harness.
Can
How
you
does
sing
it
it?
sound?
One line?
One line.
Music.
Just one, two
Ayan na.
lines.
我快准备行李。快动，三分日记，从不更新，只有一直专注甜蜜，抱歉就掉。哇！
I love it.
Boy, alam na alam ng mga Pinoy ang kantang to.
I know.
What does
Sinasabayan sila.
what does this song mean to you?
That means you guys live in our heart.
Wow!
So let's make a harness together.
Mga kaibigan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating pakikipag-usap kay Calvin at Wu. Huwag po kayong alis dahil magbabalik pa po ang
The
The Buzz!